Hey, I know I'm a little late with today's video, but hear me out. I wanted to talk about the announcements that happened at Jujufest yesterday. And so I needed some time to ingest it. And we're gonna talk about them while I do my makeup inspired by Nanami because, oh, Nanami. I feel like it's gonna look like a really cute makeup look. So we're gonna do that. I also already primed my face, so don't at me for not priming. I already did that. I already did it. Anyway, guys, so Jujufest took place yesterday, Sunday, the 25th of August, and they had some Jujutsu Kaisen announcements that they were gonna make, and I'm sure a lot of us were like, hell yeah, dude. We're gonna hear about season 3. Let's go. Did we though? So there were 3 announcements, and I'm gonna go over them, leaving, I guess, probably the best one for last. So we're gonna start, I guess, with the fact that the guidebook for season 2 of Jujutsu Kaisen is going to be coming out in October. So that is the hidden inventory arc and the premature death arc, or Shibuya arc. I call it Shibuya arc, but that's not it. That's not it. That's not what the anime calls it. You know, just looking, even thinking about all of the arcs in the manga, not just the anime, because there's only 2 freaking seasons. Premature Death and I'm just gonna call it the Shibuya arc are my favorite. They're both my favorite. Probably Shibuya arc anime wise so far, just because the Shibuya arc really gave us a lot of Mappa did that up with one hand. They did that with one hand. Jeez. Even though they didn't even have the proper time to get the art out how they would like it. They said episode 17 was only 30% done or something. But yeah, it came out with some good husbando scene. Some good husbando scenes. Oh my god. We got Feral Gojo. We got some up to shirt shots of Toji. Oh my goodness. Some actually those Toji scenes actually made me kind of like Toji more than Gojo. I was obsessed with Gojo, and I still am. Feral Gojo, yeah, the whole anyway, Toji, beautiful. And we got to see the rough and gentle side of Nanami, and we got to see a lot of Chosa. A lot of Chosa. More than the manga gave us. In my opinion, some of those scenes were just better than the manga, which you don't hear often. Usually it's the manga's better, but I thought some of those scenes were better in the manga. I don't remember in the anime. I thought some of those scenes were better in the anime, which I also remember thinking that there was some that were better in the manga, but I don't even remember what those were. I don't know if you guys watch Spy Family either, but the notorious Nanami scene in season 2 kind of has a little Easter egg in Spy Family.
Number and locations of your comrades.
But anyway, all that aside, like I said, season 2, favorite arc. Love that arc. And getting a guidebook, which I'm excited for because I have the guidebook for season 1, and the art in it is so pretty. So yeah, I'm excited. So then the next announcement that we got is the mobile game Jujutsu Kaisen Phantom Parade, which I'm always going to remember because of the TikTok sound. Jujutsu Kaisen Phantom Parade. That's going to get a global release, and it's also going to come out in 9 different languages. It was originally released in Japan in November of 2023. And it's getting done by Bilibili Games, which they also do anime, not Bilibili games, but I like totally. They also do anime. And you can currently go on their website right now and pre-register for the game. Now, mobile game, if you guys don't know what it is, it's like an action RPG, and from what I've seen from it, it looks like you just like follow Yuji's storyline from the anime and like fight her spirits. I didn't see if you get to do the like the student exchange with Kyoto, or the exchange thing where they fight the students, but I did see that you can fight some cursed spirits. Now, honestly, I'm not like the biggest mobile gamer. I think I have Sudoku on my phone, and like I'm sure like a lot of people, I used to play Adventure Capitalist like forever ago, but I've never played any games like Jujutsu Kaisen Phantom Thread. So this announcement doesn't affect me that much. However, the game does actually look good, and I think that they're also thinking of doing a PC release for it. But it's wild how good they're making mobile games look lately. Like, I see some on my TikTok, I'm just like, yeah, I might need to start playing mobile games. You know what's funny? With this, I was putting this on and I was like, I'm gonna make it not pointy. I'm gonna do like a circle one, and I just doing pointy. It's just my go-to. Anyway, the last announcement, it was not an announcement for season 3, which I don't know if you're upset about that. I was a little upset. I was hoping to see like a trailer for season 3 or announcement on release date. But nah, it's cool. That's not what we got. It's fine. The last announcement was that they are making a compilation movie for season 2. It's gonna be like the hidden inventory arc and premature death, Shibuya arc, all kind of cut up and put together into a compilation movie, which is set to come out in 2025, but they didn't give an actual release date for it yet. That's like all we got out of in regards to like anything about the movie. So I don't know if you've heard that Attack on Titan is also going to be coming out with a compilation movie for the last season. Now, with that, it did say that they had some better animation that they're going to be making it with, because apparently the last season was rushed for Attack on Titan. And we know for a fact that the last season 2 was rushed. Like I said, they said that it was like 30% done versus what they wanted to put out. So I'm wondering if they're also going to be adding like that new animation that you can get if you get it on Blu-ray now. But yeah, I'm wondering and hoping that if they are going to be making that movie, they put the better animation in. But yeah, that was it. Just those 3 things from Jujufest. Unfortunately, there was not even like a sniff of season 3. And then other like Jujutsu Kaisen news, before Jujufest came out, they're also ending the manga on September 30th. I'm gonna add some blotches from his tie into this yellow, and then also some lashes and stuff. I will be right back. And voila, this is the look. Is it giving Nanami? Anyway, so I just want to know, like, we got, before Jujufest, we got an announcement that the manga's ending September 30th. Then we got the guidebook coming out in October. We have a global release of Jujutsu Kaisen Phantom Parade mobile game, and then we're getting a compilation movie. Which, were you guys hoping for a season 3 announcement? I was hoping for a season 3 announcement. And like, how do you feel about compilation movies? Because I feel like they're kind of a extra way to make money, but then I'm also like, if there's another season coming out, you could just quickly watch that and get the scoop to get like a little quick like reminder of what the previous season was. about what happened in case you forgot. And then you're set instead of having to watch the whole season. But I don't really love compilation movies. Like, I watched season 2 so many times. I think 3 or 4 times already. It's a problem. I was watching it by myself in sub, watching it by myself in dub, and watching it with 2 friends. So 4 times. Yeah. And how do you like the look? Like I said, is it giving Nanami? Yeah, let me know your thoughts about all of it. Like, are you excited for any part of it? Do you want to play the mobile game? Do you want it to release on PC? Like, tell me everything. I want to know. I want to know your thoughts. What are your thoughts on all these newses? Love you guys. I will talk to you later. Bye.